Just look at that person wearing a corduroy. Antok ka na.
Once again, double check your boarding passes if you're seated on window.
Hindi ako mapagsalita mga beshi. Medyo tinatamaan pa ako ng hiya. Pero, we are currently here at Terminal 1 for our Japan visit. We're currently waiting for the plane. The flight is by 12:50 in the morning, and right now it's 11:26. And yeah, we're gonna wait here. And as you can see, if kita, Diyos ko, beshi, malalaglag na yung mata ko. Malalaglag pa. Dahil inaantok na rin ako. And I didn't have much sleep earlier. So, yeah. We'll see you at the Narita terminal in a bit.
Masyado tayong food. Malamig daw dun.
Guys, we're now at the plane. And the flight is for 4 hours and 30 minutes from here to Narita Airport. I will see you there in 3, 2, 1. We're going to walk outside, guys. We had a proper clothing. Good luck po sa amin. Oh, just kidding. I think a bus just arrived. Oh, buses arrived. And I'm hoping that's our ride. Saan doon sa truck?
Umumudi ako dito.
International arrivals.
Snow baby.
Hey, we've already arrived here at the international arrivals. So, we're gonna take the stairs. So, as we say earlier, it takes simple steps to exercise. We will do it. Beshi.
Exercise. Ano yung passport?
Guys, yung malita ko. Tingnan niyo kung ano nangyari. Sinapilayan siya.
Ano yun, no?
So we got an insurance from Jetstar. There you go, stating that there is a broken wheel of my luggage. Hoping that I still have the receipt so that ma-repair siya o kaya mapalitan ng bago.
Brand new.
Hindi ko alam kasi kung 1 year yung insurance niya or how many months. Basta. Ayun. Here at the food court, I'm not sure of the Narita Airport. Ano?
1.2k yan, mahal.
At here, mahal daw. We're looking for the very friendly, very budget-friendly 7-Eleven. Meron din ditong drugstore. And then, I think ito yung mga bilihan ng pasalubong. Then, the lounge area. Yes. Also, everybody, parang convenience store siya. Ice cream. I think this is for microwave.
So, balik tayo dun.
Bakit?
Sabihin sa amin na mayroon.
Magkano?
Yan, ito sandwich parang sa 150 pesos.
150 pesos? Ay, akala ko hanapin natin yung 7-Eleven.
Pwede na yung Lawson.
If you like this one, the dog series, may denim series din doon ng boxer shorts. Hello! Oh no!
Walang SIM card ng terminal 3 kaya terminal 2 yung pinili ko. Akala ko.
Oh no, we've missed the terminal 2. Dapat namin kukunin yung SIM card. How can we get there? Can we ask?
Yes.
What's my name?
Ayan, doon tayo magtanong.
Saan?
Ayan, dyan sa mga nagpapaboard. Baka may guard dyan. Follow lang daw namin yung blue lane. And then, going somewhere. And then down to the shuttle bus. And there, we're gonna get to Terminal 2.
Ay na.
Going to find the bus. I think, ayan. Diyan, sa baba yung mga buses. Oh, wish ang lamig.
Oh, grabe.
Magkano ba? Kung gaganto ba ako?
Ito, ang hindi mo kaya.
Wow, snow, guys! No. So, Pilipinas daw ito. Ito yung
Picture
putik
tayo.
na.
Tara na rin.
Sobrang lamig! Daw kasi hindi pa ako naglalaro. Ang hirap kasi niyang isuot. Change outfit tayo. Dahil hindi na natin kaya ang lamig. Oh, ang kapal din pala nito, no? Sobrang lamig, mga besh. Hindi ko na ma-feel yung labi at daliri ko. Ilang degrees na ngayon, Jake? Parang you went from something formal to a nanny. Nga po, mga riding in tandem natin.
Tara
Saan
na.
po next sa bahay natin?
Tara, lamig.
So, turns out, naglakad kami. Hindi kami sumakay ng bus. Kasi hindi ko na masyadong mapindot yung camera. Umayan lang. So, here at Terminal 2, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog dun sa pag-enter namin kanina kasi beshi, sobrang lamig. Until now, hindi ko pa rin maramdaman yung kamay ko. And we're looking for
Let go.
the get-go to get our SIM cards. So then after this, what are we going to do?
We were going to buy a bus ticket going to Tokyo. Where's the get go? Get go. Get go.
Can you show the picture?
Fourth loop. We will get our SIM card.
Do you have some information?
Wait.
Kaya pala hindi maintindihan ni ate kanina. Easy go kasi, beshi.
Hindi pala get
Hindi
go.
get go.
Get go? Get go.
Get go. Siguro sabi niya, get out!
I said no plastic here.
So, nalungkot pa rin ako dun sa maleta ko. Parang yung energy ko from 100.
Huwag mo na isipin.
Down to
Marirefill yun. Ay, marirefill.
50%. Pero yeah,
Marirefill yun.
be positive.
Sabi nga nila pag di nasira, may pagpapalit na mas maganda.
Sino nagsabi nun?
Si Popoy. Sabi ni Popoy yun. Sabi niya, ano mo ba, kaya may mali sa buhay natin kasi may narating na bago.
Baka merong bagong darating na mas okay.
Not gonna argue with that. Wala kaming nakitang easy go, mga beshi. Anyway, we're going to ask again for it.
The Easy Go counter, first floor, international. Easy Go? Yes, yes.
Very much appreciate ang ganito. Ihatid pa niya kami. She's guiding us to the place. Is she going to the information again? Sorry na. Ay, ito na yata. Ay, Ang liit naman pala kasi ng karatula. Kaya naman pala hindi namin makita. But nonetheless, we're still gonna line up. 8:30 pa daw. Aray.
Sobrang lamig kanina. Tanggal na yung tenga ko. Hindi ko namati na ako tinig. Kung namati na ako, subscribe. Pag hindi pa, subscribe.
May antok na. Yung mga time na gusto ko, meron na kami matutuloyan. Pero guys, wala pa for today. Because after this, we're going to Osaka through bus, which is an 8-hour ride. And then saka pala kami magkaroon ng place to stay. For now, we are next in line for the Easygo SIM cards.
Oh, Android. Try the SIM card now. Try.
We got the SIM cards. And we're going to try them now. The bus ticket
9:45 pa.
for 1,000 yen each. This is going to
Sa Tokyo na lang.
Osaka? Going to Osaka to.
Tokyo.
Tokyo pala. Tokyo pala. May gabi pa pala yung Osaka. And then for the SIM card, magkano yung isa? 800 pesos?
Oh, 800.
800 ang isa? Okay, and then that is just for the data. Wala siyang call or text. 3 gig data for 8 days. Waiting for the bus. Ano tayo? So cold.
Gate 19. Wala ko muna, wala ko.
So 9:45 pa yung bus?
Yes.
And now it is
9:35.
cold
No,
again.
Wave King. Hindi ko lang kung kita nyo, pero kulay black yung akin.
We're going for the sun patch. Wow, epic. Malamig pa din. Hakaginig ito. Ayusin mo yun, baka magbuha akong ano ha.
Ano rin sa loob?
Oo.
Okay.
Kita nyo yan si Kuya. So yung nag-assist sa amin. Tapos siya pa din yung naglalagay ng mga luggages namin dito sa bus. Katawa. Ay, we're here na pala sa bus. I wasn't able to video. Kanina kasi sobrang nakalamig. Okay, so all of the luggages are in already. Welcome to Japan!